So praise the world, pia put them on song. Can't go see God to love us, yes. On the love the world, can't go see God to love us.
Olama, what are you doing here?
Nobody knows I am here. I had to lie to my husband to come see you.
I never knew I would ever see you again. This seems like a dream to me.
I was worried about you. We didn't have enough time to meet and talk again. But I'm here to appeal to you to move on. Move on with your life, Dikeh. I remember the love that was shared, but that time has passed. Now I am married. Pico.
But I still love you. I still love you.
Unfortunately, you were late. Life will not always give us what we want, nor deserve. I want you to please take me out of your heart. You are rich, and with your strength, you can get any maiden to marry. Pico.
Ola, I do not want just any maiden. It's you. It's you that I want. I still love you. Please let me just hold you for once.
No, please. No, stop. I am married. I can't. But I can promise you, I will cherish every moment I spent with you for the rest of my life. Please, move on. Get someone else. Sorry.
Dikeh. Dike N AGHA. Okay.
Oti ara nwoke.
Gaga n'ogwu. Nwoke nwere ibubo. I'm so excited. I want to tell you something. The king of Uvu sent an emissary. They want us to help them fight their troublesome neighbors. They offered us plots of lands, as many maidens as we want. I'm so excited. Watoka! Again?
I am not excited.
Why?
Because the last time I went fighting, I lost something that is so precious to me. So I am not going to fight again.
Why you can't be this soft? Dike N AGHA, the only man that eats the bullet with his teeth. No! Dike, you're not even a warrior. At your sight, your leopard trembles. How can you be this soft? Because of a woman? Dike, you have access to many maidens in this village. Ogene.
Or former Julian Wayo. Or former Mwelu Wayo. I thank you so much for all the accolades. I am still the Dikeh that you know. I still know who I am. But there is something missing inside of this Dikeh that you know. And until that void is filled, I will continue to lie low.
Dike, let me ask you. Are you telling me you don't want to go to this war because of a woman? A woman that is married and gone away with her husband, probably expecting her first child. Let me ask you, did she use something on you?
For enough. Enough of this. See, please, you can just go.
This is not time to go. See, I want to make...
From leave me alone! Since you do not want to understand me, let me be!
Dike. Odogwu. Amadi, I went to Great Libya, Odogwu, place. And he said they made him do something to him that made him to lose passion to fight. Hi! You know, I said it. I said it because I know Dike's behavior cannot be ordinary. It is not ordinary. Odogwu said we should bring him to his place so that he can revive him, give him strength and passion to fight again. I know Odogwu has a solution to everything. And I trust him. I believe him. You know, he always sits in front of his hut. So, we will push him to the back. He gave me... See, once we bring him down, we apply this powder on his face. He held it. He become weak. Then we use this rope. Hey, Do you understand? You know he's very strong. So we move him to Udumutu's hut before he regains his strength to be too late.
Yeah, Ofoma. I like this plan. But are you sure it will work? Are you sure this plan will work on Dikeh?
Amandi, you say it. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm a money Odogwu. But you are sure it will work? Come on.
Dikeh woke. Hi, Dikeh woke. Anabala gumba. Odogwu ifagu jemile dianam. Ifagu jemile. Dikeh woke. Woke mandu. Anabala gumba. Ifagu jemile dianam. Onny ya Dikeh woke. Woke mandu. Anabala gumba. Ifagu jemile dianam. Onye kuchuze Dikeh woke. Onye bunu. Anabala gumba. Onye bunu. Ifagu jemile dianam. Okwasi na muo nwoke n'ụwa ya bụrụ nwoke maka afụ dike n'ụwa ogologo imi ya maka okolo na ibe ya ra okwu ọnụ nekwanụ dike ịkakweche ọkụkọ mmanya na-ebu nekwanna bụrụ ede achụ na achụ Dikeh woke. Anabala gumba. Odogwu ifagu jemile dianam. Ifagu jemile. Dikeh woke. Woke mandu. Anabala gumba. Ifagu jemile dianam. Onny ya Dikeh woke. Woke mandu. Anabala gumba. Ifagu jemile dianam. Onye kuchuze Dikeh woke. Onye bunu. Anabala gumba. Onye bunu. Ifagu jemile dianam.
I need to be left alone. Is it difficult to understand?
Former.
I said, is it difficult to understand?
Why, Yoma?
Nai.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to my farm to pluck some vegetable.
Okay. Is Iche Maduka home?
No. He went to Iche Ahunwa's house concerning that Odogwu forest matter.
Oh, he told me about that.
I hope all is well.
Everything is well. It's just that I have a little thing I want to discuss with him some days ago.
Nai, is there something I could hear?
Yes. It concerns you. In fact, it concerns everybody in the family.
Nai, what could be the matter?
Are you people aware that Olama came to Anedo village last Nkwo day?
Olama came to Anedo? To see who?
Are you the one asking? To Dikeh, of course.
Olama came to Anedo to see Dikeh. Hi! Wait, who told you?
Never mind who told me. What we should be concerned about is why she came to his hut. And the person that told me said that she sneaked in and sneaked out.
Oh. Nai, please, I don't want my husband to hear about this matter. It will spoil things further for us. Buko, let me look into this matter. Buko.
You better do, because we will not partake in any kind of abomination.
Hey.
You better go and ask your daughter questions.
Yes, Nai, I will. But please, I don't want my husband to hear about this matter. Buko, Nai.
It's okay.
Thank you, Nai. Oh, thank you, Nai.
Dikeh, You look moody. What is wrong?
I'm fine. Just thinking about this life.
I hope it's not about my friend Olama. She's happily married. And if you ask me, she might be pregnant for Nana by now.
What?
What do you mean by what? Are they not married? What do you expect? I'm sorry if I'm being too forward. Dikeh, don't you like my presence? Coming here to do chores for you, encouraging you. What more do you want?
I do.
Then you have to stop being moody whenever I'm around. Do you know the risk I take coming here all the time? If my father gets to hear this, it's going to be disastrous.
Please. No. You don't have to be taking that risk coming to see me, okay? I can take care of myself. Please.
Then I have to go then.
No. You just feel free and do whatever you've come to do. Feel free with it, please.
So, are you saying you're enjoying my presence?
If I don't, I won't welcome you.
Then you have to make up your mind. My great warrior. War front is not home front. Don't miss your luck a second time. Yes.
I do not understand.
What do you mean? Are you not a man? Come, let's go inside your hut. I'll show you what I mean. Stand! Dikeh, stand. Follow me.
Assam! Listen, how are you? I'm just coming from your house and your mother said you went to fetch firewood. Where's the firewood? What are you hiding?
Leave me alone. I'm not hiding anything.
Isioma, what is wrong? Eh? You've been acting strangely towards me these days. What have I done again?
Leave me. Are you monitoring me? I'm asking you. Are you my father or my husband?
I'm your husband to be. We are planning to get my... Okay, Nato.
You're planning. You're very unserious, so you're planning. Wait. You think I'm a log of wood that you pick and drop anytime you want? Eh?
What do you mean?
Oh, you think I've not heard? Wait, you think I've not heard about you and Oluchi? So because she has rejected you, you now remembered me. Eh, kwa?
Oluchi. Oh, Chokwe. Isioma. So because I told you how I helped Oluchi when her firewood fell off from my head, and now you are now assuming I have something to do with her.
I am not assuming. Obrezoku, is that not the truth? It is not even my business. Whether if you like, you follow Oluchi, follow Nkechi, follow anybody you want to follow. I don't care. It's none of my business. Let me warn you. I don't want to ever see you in my father's hut. Did you hear me? I don't want them taking away what. Allow me to talk. What's your problem? I don't want to ever see you in my father's hut again. Are you hearing me? I will not repeat myself. I hate to repeat myself. I will not repeat myself. Ejofo.
Assam.
Awachakwamge. Rubbish.
Isi. Assam. Something is wrong with Isioma. Something is definitely wrong.
Yes. I had a meeting with our ancestors. from the land of the spirit. And I ate it through my eyes. My eyes opened. Yes. So now, I want to shoot. Yes. If my arrow catches you, keep it for me. When I come back, you will give me utalakpolakpo. When I was in the world, I used to cook soup with a head of cow. I will serve the food to ndị ichie na ndị egedege. Some people became jealous. Because ndị ichie made me their king. But some people became jealous. I wanted to kill me. But can they kill me? No! They cannot. No! They can't kill me! No! They can't kill me! No! Wow, my friend. Have you married another one? Every season, you keep on marrying your wife and end up chasing her away. That wicked one. Do not allow him to marry. Small girl. Did she tell you what she did to her husband? If you do, you find yourself in a Georgia. You will find yourself in a Jofia. Yes! I have the permission from our ancestors to expose all evildoers in Anyocha. And the whole Umetite. Marva is one of them. Small girl, where is your husband? That wicked woman. Your husband is inside her womb. Yes! Where is your husband? Where is he? Yet he has sucked his blood.
See who you're listening to. See the person you just relax to listen to. A mad woman. Ravaging mad. Tied leaf, fresh leaf. This you are eating leaf, but she's tying leaf. And you think she's sane. Oh Nyala. She's a mad woman. Olama, my child. Do not mind that nonsense. That woman, that mad woman was vomiting. She is ravaging mad. She's evil. Her evil made her mad. She reaped what she sowed. In her days, when she was sane, she was sleeping with other men, still married with her husband.
Huh?
After several warnings, her husband caught her red-handed with another man. Instead of her to apologize and make amends, she insisted she was innocent and went to swear before the shrine of Odogwu. Odogwu pronounced judgment on her and she became mad instantly from that shrine. That is why she's like that.
But why would she agree to swear knowing she's not innocent?
As if you do not know how bad people behave. They always think there will be a way for them to escape somehow. But Nemesis will always fail them.
She's really a bad woman.
Very bad. Do you know that Dikeh, that one that wanted to deceive you into marriage, he is the son of a mad woman.
He is?
Yes, he is. He did not tell you?
No. We didn't discuss anything like that. He only told me that his parents died when he was very, very young.
He's a liar. Yes, his father died early, but his mother much later. She died a mad woman. Yes, madness run in their lineage. Imagine a wretched family that have madness blood in them. If you have children, they will become morons or imbeciles.
Huh?
No, we don't want to have children that will be roaming the market, naked and mad.
May the gods forbid. To fear what?
The gods have forbade it already. Because the gods have saved you from that calamity. You are lucky she did not bite you. By now, we would have been roaming this entire kingdom mad. Because once a madman bites you, you're automatically mad. I thought you would have finished this by now. You're busy listening to a mad woman. Left what you should have done.
I got your message from Umenwa. That's why I'm here.
Oh yes, I was lucky to see her in our kindred. She came to visit her maternal grandmother, so I told her for us to meet here as soon as the sun is overhead.
Okay. I've been hanging around since then. What is it? What is it?
I don't know how to say this. But my heart is heavy. And I know you can help me lift it up.
Okay. Speak.
Dikeh. It's about Dikeh.
What about him?
My mother-in-law told me that his mother was a mad woman.
What? Which Dikeh?
My own. I mean the Dikeh that you know. I am my friend.
Yes.
Have you heard anything like this about Dikeh's mother before?
No. I don't know much about Dikeh and his family. Except for the ones you told me yourself.
Hey. Hey.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. I need you to confirm this information for me. Oh, you know I can't ask my parents for obvious reasons.
I understand. But what do you need this information for? You're happily married and settled.
I know. I just want to know the truth. That's all. Pico, help me.
Oh, okay. I will.
Thank you.
I'll help you.
How about Ejiofor? How is it going with you two?
We are on it very soon. Very soon we're getting there.
I see. My friend.
Yes.
Please, nobody should know that I came here to see you.
Okay.
And nobody should know about our conversation here about Dikeh.
Oh, nobody is going to hear about it, okay? Your secret is safe with me.
Hello. Thank you. Thank you.
I got it, no? Take care of yourself.
I know you weren't expecting to see me.
No, I'm not. What happened? And what about your husband?
As if you care.
Of course I care.
No, you don't care. You claim you care and yet you lied to me twice. First, you told me you were going to the battlefield for 2 native weeks. Instead, you stayed there forever. Secondly, you lied to me about your mother's health. Why didn't you tell me she had mental health challenge? And she was roaming the market before she died.
Who told you?
Hold on. I am not done. I do not have so much time to spend here. Dikeh, I ask, why did you lie to me? I thought you loved me. All of this wouldn't have mattered. Regardless of what happened to your mother, would have stayed even if she was crippled, imbecile, or whatever. I feel humiliated by the same man who claimed to love me. The same man who made me appear stupid before my husband's people and my people. The same man who made people gossip about me all over the places that I could not decide on a man. Dikeh, why? Why did you hide so much from me? Even at the risk of my marriage, I had to sneak out to ask you this same question. Why did you lie to me? Why are you not saying anything?
Olama. All I feel highly embarrassed for you to say that my mother was mad. But for your sake, I am not going to be angry. I'll control it. My mother was never mad.
Just a lie.
And we do not have madness in our blood stream. My mother had a friend by name Udenwa, who was sick in the head. My parents brought her in and she started living with us. When I was little, my parents were helping to take her to a healer, and she was almost getting better. Before my parents had a fallen tree accident and died. Because of my parents' death, Udonwa took off to the market.
Really?
Who told you this hurting story? You would have confirmed from your father, who knows my family very well before coming here to downgrade me. Who told you?
Never mind.
No! I do mind!
Talk to me. Say it. Else, you will not like my reaction.
Say it!
My mother-in-law told me, and my friend Isioma confirmed it from you.
Isioma confirmed it from me? When?
I sent her to investigate. And she returned, saying that you told her that your great-grandmother died of mental health challenge. And you're also scared of your own sanity. Do you think you can scare me? Why are you even denying it?
Isioma? Isioma?
Yes?
Isioma, what are you doing here?
DIKE N AGHA, I should be asking you that. What are you doing here? Yes, allow Oda Mendy's to find husband. What is it? Why are you so greedy? Oh, wait. You didn't know I saw you the day you were coming to DK's house. Abomination. A married woman. Feeling a bogie.
Are you saying all of this to me?
No, I'm talking to my shadow. It's my shadow I'm talking to. You're very selfish and inconsiderate. You keep running from one place to another. Allow other maidens to find husband. Are you the only one in this community? Wicked girl.
I thought you were my friend. I never knew you were a snake. What have I done wrong to you? Tell me!
Dikeh, please, let's go inside and finish up from where we started. And leave this confused loser. Let's go.
Dikeh. That's what she called you.
Go to your husband. Don't you have home? Go to your husband. What is it? Kedifo. Onanadia Chodi. Go home.
My love is you that I need in Obimu. All of my one, your man, Nanigi Wobima. Many rejected me, called me orphan. Many rejected me, they think I'm poor. Man, all of my, Ichibo begin love for more. All of my, Ichibo begin love for more. All of my, yeah, good them so. On your money, but love more. Together, baby, more. Me and you go surprise the world. Be a put them on sun. Can't go see God to love us, yes, yeah, put them on sun. On your money, but love more. Together, baby, more. Me and you go surprise the world. Be a put them on sun. Can't go see God to love us.
Where are you coming from? Where? Where?
My husband, I went to see my grandmother in Urago Kindred. She has been longing.
Liar! You liar! Urago Kindred is just across the stream. You took almost the entire day. Tell me, where are you coming from before I hit those evil spirits that has possessed you? Speak!
I'm not lying to you. I cannot lie to you, my husband. I can't. I told Nne
Since morning, Nne waited for you and waited. She decided to go to the market all alone because you never came back on time. I got back from the farm with enough food items so I could get food to eat. Still, I starve. Where are you coming from?
My husband, I am sorry. I didn't know it was going to take this long. I am sorry. Let me quickly get to you.
Olama, what else am I supposed to do to you to show you how much I love you? How much I care for you? How much I am willing to protect you, to stand by your side? Huh? What else? You keep breaking my heart. Do you know what? Go into the hut. Pick every single item that belongs to you and leave my home, never to come back. Now.
Please. My husband, forgive me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. It will never happen again.
Olama, all I do is love you. I am married, yet I live like a single man. I starve. If this is what marriage is about, then I do not want to be part of it. I still insist. Go in there, pack your items, and leave my home.
I cannot.
I would come to your father's compound to take back my dowry.
I'm sorry, my husband, but I can't go back to my father's hut. Nne is not here. She will think of me as one that disrespected her. My husband, please. I'll make it up to you. I promise to make you happy today. I will make your meal quickly. Please reconsider your decision. I'm sorry.
On your money, love more. Together, baby, more. Me and you go surprise the world. Can go see go to love us, yes. On him, no be more. Can go see go to love us, yes. All I'm more. Can go see go to love us, yes. On my little one follow now. Can go see go to love us, yes. My love is you that I need in Obimu. All of my one your man, Nanigi Wobima. Many rejected me, called me orphan. Many rejected me, they think I'm poor. Man, all of my, Ijibo begin love for more.
Olama, you did not tell me about your grandmother.
I am sorry. I was busy when you came back. But my grandmother is very fine. She told me so many good stories. She couldn't even let me go.
That is elderly grandmothers for you. They tell stories all the time.
Again, she sent her regard. She's impressed by the way you take care of me.
I'm happy to hear that. Maybe one of these days we are all going to pay her a visit.
Hey, she'll be very happy, oh.
Olama, this food, so far, is your best.
Thank you, Nne. I will do better next time.
Nne. Indeed, I am enjoying my marriage.
You should. With Olama, being a good cook, and she takes care of you.
Everywhere.
What else do you want?
Together, baby, more. Me and you go surprise the world. Can go see God to love us, yes, with them so on your money, love more. Together, baby, more. Me and you go surprise the world.
Wait.
Please, wait, let me pass.
Sumakede for. What is it? You're not showing me your true color. Yes. After all the love and promises we share together, I even come to your house to help you with your house chores. I help you do some firewood, fresh water. And now look at how you are repaying me with...
Okay, Biko, you're ranting. What is all this? One, you're poor. You're lazy. You're not even strong. Just look at yourself. You're not even strong. Go, okay? Wait, let me ask you. Can you go to a battle like my man Dikeh? Can you? Enough of this married talk. I don't want to hear it again. What is all this rubbish? You're stopping me.
Isuma, I've been there for you since, so...
What did me? And so? So you think you now own me? Simply because you're the first person to show your love interest towards me. What is all this madness? Are you okay? You see, me, Isioma, daughter of Okonkwa Umadi, we never settle for less. I want to marry an Odogwu. Okay, Karaka. Okay, Drew. If you okay, Fogologimia, or Broaka, like, just they're gonna work Ghana. You really do okay, me. Stop all this rubbish. Don't stop me on the way again. What was all this madness?
Isioma.
Stop.
Wait. I've been there for you since,
Let go of me.
Hey! What is going on here?
Obia.
Why are you molesting the maiden? Why?
Obia. Dikeh, you are the cause of all this problem here. Yes! All the one you lie on the scene.
Meaning what?
Stop pointing him.
No, Rapia Konako. So, meaning what?
Meaning that you want to forcefully take away my wife from me. Because you were a warrior. Warrior. No.
Did you just say wife? When did you get married to her? Since when?
Answer him.
Dikeh, are you pretending not to know that I and Isioma are getting married? Before you came from nowhere and scattered the whole plans.
Hey. Listen to me. Listen, I do not know you. And I do not intend to know you. If you've not paid any dowry on any woman's head, never you call that person your wife. Until you pay dowry on somebody's head, then that person becomes your wife. Do you understand? Else, that person is free to marry any man she wants to marry. That's our tradition.
Look at Dikeh. Dikeh, you that went to disrupt another man's marriage ceremony because you claim the maiden is your wife to be. Here you are now preaching about tradition. Lele.
Am I the one you're talking to like that?
You are the one, and what will you do? Am I the one like that?
No, come and stay, madman. Come and stay.
Am I the one you're talking to like that?
No, it was a slip of tongue, Biko.
Am I the one?
Sorry, no.
Am I the one you're talking to like that?
Biko.
Next time.
Dikeh,
mind your words.
Okay, Dikeh.
Mind your words.
Dikeh.
Mind your words.
Biko.
Mind your words.
Please. Dikeh.
Olama. Have you finished?
Yes, Nne.
Ngwa. Carry the big yam. Go and give it to Amoge. She knows what to do with it.
Okay.
And the small one, we'll plant it at the back of the hut.
Okay, Nne, let me wash my hands.
I know she has been waiting. Hurry up.
Okay, Nne.
Land is not even too dirty. Are you not farming already?
Okay, Nne.
Oh, now. What?
Where is Olama?
Oh, I sent her to go and deliver yam for me at my friend's place, Amoge.
I thought she has gone to visit her lover, as usual.
Nana, why are you doing this? Why are you bothering yourself? I have told you I am top of this matter. Olama is a small pampered girl who thinks she's smart. She does not know the people she's dealing with. Do you know that anytime she goes to see her family, she does not visit the family before going off to sleep with her monster lover? Do you know that?
I thought we married a wife. But she's more than a snake.
Meaning you married a snake?
We married a snake.
We? Oh.
Do you know that looking at her on the outside, she seems very innocent. Nobody would know that behind her, she's full of abominations.
Her cup is finally full. She's here. Ife memea, adako yako.
And you? Your mother gladly applauded you for being just as evil as she is. Evil man!
What? Madoka, can you hear your daughter? Are you listening to your daughter's wicked fabrication? Eh? What is she talking about?
My in-law. My in-law.
Yes?
Stop interrupting my daughter. Stop interrupting my daughter. For your information, she has already told us why she left your house. Yes. So now that you're here, you better listen so that you confirm or deny her story.
Exactly.